All right. I can't believe I missed that. That's so stupid. I was not. I didn't get enough sleep, and so I laid back down because I was like, oh, I have like 30 extra minutes. So I lay back down, and then I wake up, and I see we have the most obvious liquidity pool in the entire world. Not only were those equal lows, but it was London and New York PM's lows. This far apart. So, like, once we got this inversion right here, and for anyone wondering why this didn't work, look! Look at these lows! Where's low resistance? Like yes, yeah, here, but but these lows are where the market wants to draw to. So you wait for this to get broken back to the downside, and you can see instantaneously we drop down all the way down to those equal lows. I mean, I think this would have been a 3-1 for me. I'd probably use these two for value gaps together on the 2 minute. So then I could have a stop loss of about 3-1 realistically. So if we close back above this, I can stop myself back out. Dang it, dude. That's okay. Let's just take a look at the market right now. The price action is not nearly as good, but you never know. We might get something. So I'm going to add another thing here. This is going to be for specifically for days highs and lows, weeks highs and lows, and months highs and lows. And I'm going to turn off the times. So this is going to show us previous days highs and lows, previous weeks highs and lows, previous months highs and lows. We got previous days low down here. I am going to do some analysis on the other screen here real quick. Okay. So it kind of looks like now that we might go run all of this. I'm going to show you this on the other screen here. Kind of looks like now we might go run. Look at all these lows here. Whoops. But I'll just do the analysis on the other screen a little bit, for a little bit longer. Let's close this out. Actually, I need that back. So I have the two different screens on this. I've got the Nasdaq and the S&P on either side of the other screen. I got MNQ on this screen. Then I want to have this one on the low time frame to like reference in case there's anything different. And then I want to have another one on the other screen for higher time frame stuff. I like Pizza They Emily dude, I don't know what you're saying. Anyway, could you imagine you held this though? Like, let's say you had your um, bias right, and you knew that you were gonna go lower. Wow. I wonder if there were any SMTs. There was. There was. There was SMT here. Right. Here. Or was it? Wait, it's kind of confusing actually. There might not have been SMT. Well, S&P made equal lows, and the Nasdaq made lower lows. So I don't know if you consider that SMT or not. Anyway, I think we are gonna go take out this previous day's low now. Oops. You took an IPG to the upside after the SMT and sweep on ES and moved up to break even. You'll have to send it in the Discord because I don't know exactly what you mean, but that's sick, dude. I'm so glad you got it. That's really good. Alright, let's do 1 pixel here. That's kind of small, actually. Anyway, it's just unfortunate because, like, this was the most obvious trade in the world. There were equal lows, and they were the same. These London and Asia's lows were the same. Maybe I'll get something down to previous day's low. Let me actually look at the chart here. It's possible. So actually, it's kind of interesting. We are reacting off of something that's invisible that most people don't know about. We're reacting off of this. Check this out. Secret new day opening gap right there. Price is reacted off of. And you can see we're delivering from this new day opening gap. So man. Let's see if we can confirm that we're drawing towards that low. Well, that actually doesn't confirm any. Okay, the 4.5 hits that low. Okay, so maybe I think we are drawing the previous day's low. So with that in mind, we can maybe get a trade down there. So we have this 5-minute for value gap. We have equal highs though. Here you can see we have a breaker. This is a nice breaker, right? Overlapping with this for value gap. I think that would be a good confluence, but I don't think we're gonna get up there. Dang it. I honestly just kind of feel out of it today. Like I just feel like I'm not. I don't know. I feel like I'm not gonna take a good trade now because I'm like, well, I missed this. And oh, okay, check this out. We hit the distribution level on stat map. Bro, why does he keep switching to? All right, I don't think I should take a trade. I'm just gonna hop off because I think I'm gonna if I take a trade, I'm gonna force something. We already took all the liquidity. I don't want to force something, so